here with Anirudh Pandita of Pocket Aces. Sir, so nice to see you here yet again at season 2 of India Web Fest. How did the session go?
Session was very, very good. We've been big supporters of this event. The event started with us, and really, really happy to see how it's grown. And the session's always interesting. There's always good mix of industry participants, creators, platforms. So it's amazing and full masti maza aaya bahut.
Absolutely. How do you see the digital boom evolving in India in the next 3 to 5 years?
It's the single biggest movement we've seen in a really long time in the media sector. So it's going to continue for many years now. It's not going to be just 2 years. It's a 5-10 year, great growth that we're going to see. Of course, there will be bumps along the way, but that's what makes it fun.
Right.
So very, very positive about it, and really happy to see even mainstream media now completely moving towards this direction. And
Yeah, so do you see digital being the market leader and driving the major share of revenue, leaving behind TV and films?
Absolutely, absolutely. Films will leave behind very, very quickly. In fact, already I think they're smaller than us. Television is obviously the big elephant. That will take some time, but it will happen. And television, as we define it, will become a screen, and so everything will become digital. So that's not even a question in my mind, and we are well in our way there as a country as well.
So would it be correct to say that there will be a future where people will leave TV and films and be fixated to the mobile phones to watch content?
We are already in that world where I live. They're already in that, and I'm one of those people, and my family gets annoyed about it all the time. So yeah, I think mainstream wise, as the kids get older, that's going to happen for sure.
Great. Last question. One OTT platform that you have downloaded on your phone and one Indian original that you love watching.
So lots of obviously OTTs on my phone.
Okay.
The first one everyone downloads is obviously Netflix, because that's been the trendsetter or the pace setter there. Indian original, which I liked, apart from, so I really like What the Folks, which we made. I think it's one of my favorite shows. But apart from my own shows, I really enjoyed Delhi Crime, which came out on Netflix. Really, really enjoyed that show.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Really nice meeting you again.
Thank you.
See you.